Dang, it look good lighting in here. I said it looks like good lighting in here. Got that good lighting. Got that good lighting.
Bing, 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 bing.
Done. Happy Thursday, guys. It's the dreaded day of the month. It's laundry day. Laundry day. Dum, dum, dum. I really don't want to go, but I don't even have clean panties, so time to get that laundry done. I like your abs. You got them good abs. What?
Can we go?
Oh my. Do you see that?
Can we go?
What is happening?
I love you. Bye. Boop.
Okay. I guess you're leaving.
Boop.
Waiting for the water.
Waiting for the agua.
It's actually empty in here, so that's good. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 washes.
1, 2, 3.
Don't press this. You didn't even push start. You're over here waiting for the thing.
Look. Wow, you like that? It's annoying, but you gotta get it done, so such is life. Let's get this laundry done and get the heck out of here because I'm hot.
What's she
You got
that?
detergent on your...
What's she that?
It went in already.
What's she?
It went down already. That's why it's wet. It's so heavy, guys. You got detergent all over your butt. That's my little big boy. Guys, used to be 6 pounds. What is life? I can't.
They all went, buddy.
That one now.
You just want Daddy to carry you around. He is too heavy for me to carry. Oh yeah, I like them bubbles right there. Gotta get a lot of bubbles. Way overdue on laundry, but we didn't have no money, so now we gotta get it done. Right, buddy? Whoa, okay. You are crazy. No. How was work, babe? What happened? Ow! You gotta move me.
Work was, okay. Wasn't bad. I wasn't doing nothing today.
Stop running. We're not at the park. Crazy. You're crazy. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah, sit down.
So yeah, we got outside.
Just in time for this.
We put the bags in the car, and then it started pouring like this.
There's a
2 seconds ago, it was not like this.
There's a tornado watch a few counties over from us. That's funny. Goodness, it was literally not raining 2 seconds ago. So we're gonna wait a little bit for it to die down, hopefully.
Jeez.
Oh, jeez. I don't know.
All right.
We'll wait a few minutes just to see if it's gonna
We go.
No!
We'll make it.
I'm scary. Yeah, you probably can't even
I
hear
probably
us.
can't.
This is like
Probably
a
got
free
no
car
room.
wash. I told him, get in the car, it's gonna rain. Literally 2 seconds. Boom, like this rain came down. You didn't even get wet, but I bet we're gonna get wet on the way home.
Daddy got wet.
30 seconds. Lightning and thunder. It's a thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning. Oh, hell no, guys. It's a disaster.
See outside, it's raining.
Typical.
I just took this out my mouth.
You better stop
I
it.
took this out my mouth.
Oh, he's trying to catch a fly. So we made it back home. We actually didn't get that wet. Oh, I think it stopped raining. We left the freaking bags in the car because it was raining that hard. I just saw the fly. That fly is taunting us. I don't think anybody hates flies as much as I do. Oh my god. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. It's right here, it's right here. It keeps coming right in front of my face. Like, why are you terrorizing me in my own apartment? This is like, this fly is about to kill me.
You guys.
And Dion likes looking at himself in photo booth.
You guys.
You look like an alien.
You have to try this.
Silly.
What is he trying to do?
He's trying to kill a fly. I'm like looking at myself, vlogging.
What is he trying to do? I'm trying to do that thing.
Did you get it?
Oh. I'm trying to get it.
It's like terrorizing me in my own house. This is not right. Now Dion's trying to help kill it too. Oh. You see how it keeps going right in my face? It's like it's attacking me. Dion and Daddy are the fly killers. We need to get some fly swatters. That's what the hell we need to get. Oh, 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 oh! Like the vlog is gonna see it. Duh. Just be careful you don't break anything. He got an oven mitt, y'all. Please get him. Please get this guy. He got an oven mitt to kill a fly. Like, what is going on? You need to get a shirt or a cloth. That's what works the best because it's not heavy. It's just like, you could just swing it. Dan, go put that back, please. Daddy's going to get you a cloth.
You guys.
Crazy.
You
I'm just over here jamming and doing some YouTube stuff. What'd you say?
You better try this, guys. You better try this.
Swedish fish?
Try
No,
it.
no, 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 no. Whoa, okay. About to knock the light down. Oh shit. Karate Kid.
Where the heck did it go?
Oh, it's over here. Behind the
Get it.
behind the
Get
sheet.
it.
I'm kidding.
Where the laptop at?
Dion, no! Buddy, go put the oven mitt back. Go put it back. Whoa, you're getting too crazy. A whole bunch of dust just flew out. That's nasty. Over here too. What the
Not the
hell?
fly though. That's what I want. I want that fly. You gonna come over here, fly. Where the hell that fly go? I'm gonna have to get my belt.
Really, Dion? Go put it back, buddy. That oven mitt takes up his whole arm. Captain Flycatcher over here.